Hey friends, Gator Mom here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day. Today we're talking about this brand new canvas bag from Bogg. So Bogg has a brand new style printed canvas bag that I think is going to be so super popular. I have what I believe is every single print or color combo that they have. If not, I have almost every single one here to show you today. I'm gonna go through each one, show you the colors, and then I'm going to pack it up for a weekend of soccer. These bags are awesome. You guys know my love for Bogg, and I think this one just takes like that classic Bogg bag and turns it into something just a little bit more comfortable and functional for everyday sports use, beach use, anything outdoors. I'm really excited to pack it up. All right, before I get started showing you these different Bogg bags, I wanted to thank my dear friend Jackie, who is the owner of Mod Market Riley Ray, which is a really cute boutique local to me here in Central Florida. She's the one that supplied all of these different canvas bags for me to share with you today. I will have her link down below to her shop. She keeps it pretty well stocked with Bogg stuff, small accessories, the pouches, the big bags, small bags. She gets it pretty regularly, especially leading into the summer months when Bogg tends to be really popular. So if you're in search of anything, definitely check out her site first. I will have it linked down below. All right, so let's chat about this canvas bag. It is so lightweight. The drop length on the handle is really gracious. Like, it's very long, which I like because if you stuff it kind of full, you want to be able to like throw it over your shoulder and go. The bottom of the bag here is of course your classic Bogg material. Each one of these are different colors, which I'll get into in just a second, but the bottom is going to be obviously wipeable. You can spray it down, you can wipe it down. It's perfect for grassy soccer fields or the beach or anything like that. It's super durable. And then of course you have the Bogg logo kind of down there at the bottom of the bag. What I like about this bag is it kind of folds up nice and small. So if you're like storing it in a garage or something like that, it takes up way less room to store than like the classic Bogg bags. I know for myself, I have a huge navy one and a small white one. I use them pretty often in rotation, so they just kind of hang out in my garage or like mudroom area. But this is awesome because you can just kind of fold it up and put it inside and doesn't take up a ton of room. But the canvas obviously will fold down super small here. The printed prints and colors and all of that is right here on the front of the bag. The back of these canvas bags don't have any zippers or any prints or any color. They're just plain there. So this one here says, all I need is vitamin C. And naturally, this is the one that I chose to keep out of all of these because it's orange and blue and it kind of has a little bit of like a gator color vibe to it. I don't know. I also really liked the saying on this one, and I liked this orange at the top and the waves. I just thought it was really cute. I like this lighter color Bogg base as well. Looking down at the inside of these canvas bags, you do have one internal zipper to kind of store small stuff that you don't want to get lost in the bag. This would be perfect to pack like with pouches. You could do like a lunch cooler in here, water bottles, rolled up towels. You can really pack however you want. There's no main zipper or anything at the top of the bag. It's just a big open canvas, like bucket style type bag. The inside lining is a really soft, almost, it's kind of like a wipeable material, if you will, but it's still like soft feeling. So it's not like a shiny, scratchy type feeling, but you can definitely kind of wipe it a little bit easier than you could canvas. But it's awesome. It's like big, open. I can't wait to pack it up. So this is one style. Let's go through all of the different color options that are available. All right, this next one here has a little bit darker of a blue base, and it says Catch Waves. I think it is also very cute. It almost has, did this one have, no, this one, well, you can't really see it as well, but since this one has like a darker blue base, it has like a fun like stitching almost down there at the bottom, which I think is a neat like color contrast there. I like the turquoise waves. This one's a very fun print too. The next one here has a purple base and it says Good Vibes and High Tides. Very fun. It's almost like a, like, I don't know, it's almost like a grape purple. It's very pretty. These are like the bright colors on the inside. Very cute pattern, I like it. All right, and last but not least, I really like this coral base bottom. I think it's really pretty. It's bright, it's fun. It says no salty beaches. So I like that a lot. This would obviously be perfect for the beach. Any of these would. But I really like this base bottom too. I kind of want a bog. I want a big bog in this color. I like it a lot. This one's cute. All right, let's go ahead and put the camera down so you can focus more on the bag, and let's pack it up for the weekend. All right, so tonight is a soccer night, so I've quickly packed up the bag for our evening out. This is typically what I carry in whatever soccer bag I happen to have or backpack. This is usually what's inside. I will link though up here in the card somewhere or down in the description box a Bogg review that I've done maybe like a year or two ago. It was on the baby Bogg, and I think I had that one packed up also for sports. So I'll link it here just if you want to see like a, I don't know, another way that I've packed up a sports bag in the past. But right here on top, I have my current like small little bag that I've been carrying. This is an MZ Wallace Metro Scout, I believe is what it's called. This is an older color, but they tend to carry this bag all the time, just in different colors, black, navy, whatever is in season. But inside here is just, this is like my grab and go purse. I have my wallet, I have all of my small things, my phone, all that kind of stuff. So I usually will just throw this on top, and then I will keep whatever sports bag I have like in the trunk of my car. And this is kind of what lives in there, if you will. So inside, as you can see, there's a ton of room. It kind of packs vertically. So on top here, I could easily throw in like an umbrella if it's gonna be rainy. I could throw in my blanket. I love my, I should have actually grabbed that to show you guys. My Geometry House beach blanket is freaking incredible for sports. It rolls up really, really small, and I could lay it out in the grass if I want to sit down or cover up or whatever. But my point is all that can kind of just like be thrown here on top. I have over here, I'll actually start, there's one internal pocket. Like I showed you guys, it's just a little zipper pocket. And inside here, I have a small little clear pouch. This came with my one of my other Bogg bags, but I always have it in my sports bags for cash. So there's quarters and change and whatnot for the concession stand. So I always have this living in here, even if we don't have any money in it, so I can remind myself to like stop at the ATM on the way. Also down in here, what else do I have in here? A couple of hair ties and a pen. So more room, obviously. It's not a super deep pocket, it just goes down probably like the length of my hand there. All right, everything else inside here is actually sitting inside the base of the bag, which is awesome. So everything kind of fits down inside the rubberized like base there, and it won't fall over or anything like that. It actually works out really well. I have tucked back here the book that I'm reading. I always have one on me in my car, in my bag, whatever one I'm reading. I also have in here two little activity books. These are mainly for my daughter, if she's with me. Sudoku puzzles, word finds, or just if there's a kid next to me on a chair and they're bored, I can grab that out. I used to carry an entire activity bag with me, but now that my kids are a little bit older, they kind of play with themselves, so it's fine. Also back here, I have a huge antibacterial hand wipe. I usually will keep a big one if we're out anywhere, you know, like out sports stuff. So I always have that in there. And then I also threw this in here. This is just a package of Kleenex. It's like cold season. Everybody has runny noses. I know I don't want to use one of those wipes for my face, so I just threw those inside there. Also inside, which I've carried for years in my sports bags, and that is my Keep Going first aid kit. I cannot recommend this thing enough. I actually need a new one because this one's been used a lot, so I need like to restock it. But it's basically like the most organized, everything you would ever need on the go first aid kit. And I've added in my own little things here and there. I usually will keep like medicine specific to our family in here. There's scissors, there's safety pins, Band-Aids, like I said, I'm out of a lot. Triple antibiotic ointment, ibuprofen, aspirin, more Band-Aids, sting relief. It just has like everything in here, little soap sheets, travel scissors. I don't even know what's in here, honestly. But you guys get the idea. It's like perfectly organized. I can grab it and have it if we need it. Also down in here is my Bogg little pouch. I don't know what this one's called, but I believe they only have like one, so, but it's like, you know, obviously the pouch.
but I love this for the beach and for all the things. I used to carry snacks in here, but I don't really carry a lot of snacks to sporting things now because we just kind of buy a hamburger or a hot dog at the concession stands. But what I do carry this time of year, especially inside here, are my son's inhalers. So I have some Hall's drops. I actually have a mixture in here of a bunch of different kinds, but I have that in there. I have our Claritin. My youngest has really, really bad outdoor allergies. He takes this every single day. The only reason I have one in here is if for some reason I've forgotten to give it to him that day, I can have it if I need it. I have a couple of these Hall's lollipops. They're basically like cough drops for kids, but in a lollipop form. But what's awesome about this pouch is our chamber for our inhaler fits perfectly down inside there. If I can get it to focus, it's a little out of focus. There we go. So I can put that in there. It keeps it protected, keeps it from cracking. And those of you that have one of these for your family, you probably know that it's kind of hard to transport places. I've had it in a bunch of different bags over the years, but it fits really, really well in this like sturdy base down here. And I can have it with me if I need it for rescue on the field. So that's what I have in there. The last thing I have down in here is actually our Suds to Go water bottle. And this I usually just keep in my car, but for sports I'll take it out. It is a little on the go hand washing station. I think it's pretty cool. I have our Touchland hand sanitizer attached to it here. And then there's just a little towel on the side. But what's cool about it, you fill it up here at the top with water. There's just like a little screw top here that you can open up and you can drink out of this bottle if you wish, or you can dump a little bit of water on your hands and use this soap dispenser to wash your hands. And then there's a little towel here to dry off. So if somebody's out playing and then they need to come back to a chair and have a snack, I have a way that I could like really easily just roughly clean their hands so they're not eating basically dirt whenever they're having their snack. Plus it's like cold and flu season and all of that. And I just like to kind of have this really easily to use while we're out. So this is great for on-the-go sports stuff. All right, I think that's everything I have inside. I'll give you one last look. As you can see, this holds a lot. Lots and lots will fit inside. It's a great little bag, especially for outside, summertime coming up.
All right, I think that does it for today's video. I hope it was helpful, giving you an idea of the different prints that this new canvas Bogg bag is available in, as well as what fits inside and an idea of how you could pack yours up. I love this style from Bogg. I think it is a great new bag, especially kind of leading into spring and summer. Again, I will have the link to where I got these down below. And if you have any questions or comments, I'm always happy to help. But until my next video, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Bye.